Hello everyone, whoever came across this. I am Nil and this is my cooking channel. I am just a chef of my own kitchen and not any desire for more. Time to time, I enjoy cooking and being in the kitchen. And from now on, I will try to shoot my cooking stuff. Actually, long years ago, I wanted to have a cooking blog, but life is always too busy to spare time for this. Last year spring thought, if I continue to wait for better times, they may never come. So let's start this. I'm an anthropologist and curious about food and cooking culture, where they first produced or originated, etc. Time to time, I can share some small information with you about that too. I was born and raised in Istanbul and lived in New York City since early 2000s. So as expected, my cooking is generally from Mediterranean cuisine and a bit influenced from New York City as well. My cooking mostly practical, easy and delicious recipes, and healthy for body and mind. Bon appetit! Sometimes we can go to shopping together. Seasonal shopping, grocery shopping. Or a cup of coffee and a little bit chat after dinner. If you like to watch healthy and practical recipe videos, make sure hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification. One last thing, if you'd like to support me for making more videos, please visit my Patreon page to contribute. Link is below the video. See you on the next one.